Like turmeric, even hibiscus is an indicator. Now I have made it. I have plucked the petals of the hibiscus and added it to the hot boiling water. After 30 minutes, I filtered the hot boiling water and this is how it looks. I have added 1 drop of each: vinegar, lime, soap solution, soda, sugar solution, salt solution and water. I am going to add 1 drop of hibiscus indicator on each of them and see what happens. Vinegar and lime are acids, so they are red after adding the indicator. Soap and soda are bases, so they are green after adding the indicator. Sugar solution, salt solution and water are neutral, so you can see no change in them.